Hey, g'day guys, Sam here from Trade to Prosper. Looking at SXP. I'm looking at this because it made a 5% move, and generally in such a climate, it tends to give back. So I had a look at it, and I got this trend line, as you can see, which also found support recently. That's why we had that bounce. If we were to add in the moving averages, we'll see that we have support and resistance for now. So there's a lot of moving averages that gave support to it. However, it could be short-lived. So this level makes a lot of sense. This trend line even makes more sense, and this pink one also makes sense, that this is a critical pivot level right there. That was a strong pivot level. So that is our line in the sand, where if we drop that, we are going bearish. And based on this Wyckoff scenario, if we were to just put our Wyckoff hat, selling climax, etc., this looks like a rising wedge. And if you look at certain points, this is the first stage of the Wyckoff in accumulation. So we are likely to go sideways for a while, and this one is the top of the range, is our most resistance. So if we were to put a Fibonacci onto that and look at that, you can see how everything fits perfectly into it, even the 0.5. So the next level of support will be here as a strong support. So if this was to drop in the coming days and weeks, if this was to find an entry point, that was a good shorting position. Can we get another one with double top? Maybe, and then I'll be looking for a bounce, and then coming down to this bottom for a good entry. Liquidity is there, all the stop losses are there, so it's likely that that will get taken out and then move. So whenever there is liquidity, if price is going up and there's a previous price level and stop losses are there, usually we sweep the top and then come back down. So it's in a bull market, they will do that. Buy short, buy the lows, sell the tops, buy the lows, sell the tops. And the opposite in a bear market. So we're in a bull market, and now all the makings of it, this is the accumulation stage. So I think that's what's going to take place. We already validated that this liquidity has been taken out by this. So stops or shorts have come in here, and that's been taken out. And now we're likely to come down. Even here you can see that just a little wick there just took it out before it went up, and so now that's taken out, it's coming down. Bitcoin's doing the same. Question is, where's the entry? So that is my thoughts, and I've taken the liberty to do this, and basically what I explained. So there are key levels. Finding the entry to short this is going to be hard. You got to have conviction. I'm watching it on the small time frame, and here it is on a small time frame. I'm looking for an entry. I probably missed it. That was it. It was there here. So that was the entry there, and we missed it. So let's just do this. Look on a small time frame, and let's just put the symbol in. Yeah, so even the moving averages. So if we drop that, I would like to short it. That is our range, and ideally, like, look at that rejection. That was a perfect entry, and unfortunately came too late on the scene. So 786 level potentially. It probably even has a, what do you call it, a harmonic in there. If I took the chance, yep, 786, perfect. So this might be a harmonic of some sort. Let's have a play at it. Let's see if we can fit anything in there. So if this harmonic is to take place, right there, we've got the wick up there, 88. Yep. So Gartley, if this was to bounce, I'll be looking for somewhere further up for a short. So let's have a look. Damn it. Gotta do it from here. Hold on. What am I doing? So if it's there to there, 786, yep, that will be there. So I'll be looking for that motion, and then we enter the long or the short there, and the Gartley. So that's what I'm thinking is going to take place. Can we sync this to the other chart? Oh bugger, there we go. And let's see how that looks. That makes sense. Unfortunately, I wish we can get rid of this stuff. TradingView should be able to do that. And let's go into a small time frame. Maybe that will help. Yeah. So let's see how that works out. The Gartley. You want a Gartley video? This could come down to the 786, still valid, or the 618. Either way, even so, the 382. Hold on, where are we? We count the wick there. Okay. If we ignore the wick, and sometimes it can be the case, if we ignore the wick, then 786 could come further down. So, and we can have this play out the Gartley. But we want the 618, so we'll make that there to make it 618. 0.38, 0.5 is valid, and the 0.618 is valid as well. So it could be any one of these, and if you see it happening, when it comes to that, it's almost like a double top, and then short it. So that's one setup. This could also be a 1, 2, 3 and a drop. So finding entry is going to be hard, but if you do see it there, I'll be looking to short, guys, and it's pretty much valid around there. So I'm going to leave it at that. Please give me a like and share, and good luck with that. Talk to you soon.